psychologist and marriage and family therapist. I work with all kinds of things, but primarily with families in conflict, whether you're an individual who's having trouble with your family, or you're a family in business together and you're having difficulty, or maybe something I do a lot that you might understand is if you have a family member who's an addict or alcoholic and your whole family's been disrupted by it, and you're feeling the sadness and the loss, the pain of not being able to help, the helplessness. It's a significant loss, and I help people with that and hopefully help the addict and alcoholic get help as well. I am board certified in the treatment of addiction and alcoholism and substance abuse disorders. I mostly like to help people help you with your pain and your lack of understanding, and some of you may actually have family businesses where you find yourself in conflict and it's ruining your relationships, your family relationships, and it's affecting your business. Sometimes it's a good idea to come and see someone like myself, because I can help a lot with the relationships, help you understand the conflict. Actually, most people who are arguing they're arguing over something that's not the real issue. People will often say, we don't communicate, but that really means they're not doing what I want. They're not willing to listen. They don't have the empathy. They need to learn empathy and learn to listen so that they can really hear each other, and then that's what the communication is, not trying to get somebody to do what you want. To help reduce a lot of conflict between family members so you can preserve both your business and your family relationships. That's really gratifying to me. When families come back together, and actually they always do love each other, it's just they get resentful and they forget they love each other. And when they start working through the resentment, resolving the issues, well, you start to love each other again and forgive, and it's just very gratifying. I'm often asked, how do you listen to people's problems all day long? And I don't get surprised anymore, because I get asked it so often. It's not what I do. I don't listen to people's problems all day. So I'm listening with my entire being. I'm listening for the way out, for solutions and ways to help people. And I see that happening a lot. And that's the gratification or joy in the work that I do.